Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Insha'Allah. Dear students, this is going to be your lesson number 2 and the unit number 8, moon landing. So let's begin. Dear students, today we are going to read unit number 8, moon landings, remaining readings. So let's move. Dear students, for this lesson you will need a lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, English language textbook and a ruler. So dear students, keep all these accessories along with you while taking your lecture. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to read and comprehend the story and answer the questions. Develop an understanding of the meanings of words given in the text. Dear students, open your English language textbook, page number 81. First of all, you have to write day, date and today's task. Now, we will start our reading. Later, the two astronauts climb out and walk on the surface of the moon. Climb and walk. Dear students, both words are the present tense. If we will add ed with them, then it will be called past tense. के बाद में दो खलाबाज नीचे उतरे और चांद की सतह पर चले. They kick a fine powdery dust like charcoal that sticks to their boots and clothes. Powdery. Powdery mean fine grained. के पाउडर की तरह का बना हुआ सफूक. Charcoal. Charcoal means a black solid material. कोयला. के एक कोयले की तरह की मिट्टी जो के पाउडर की तरह थी, उसमें उन्होंने अपने पांव मारे और वो मिट्टी उड़कर उनके जूतों और कपड़ों के साथ चिपक गई. They plant a flag but without air to make a breeze. It hangs limply. Limply means without life. Limply, it is an adverb. Dear students, एडवर्ब की सबसे बड़ी पहचान ये होती है कि ये किसी वर्ड के एंड पे जब ly आ जाए तो वो वर्ड एडवर्ब कहलाता है. उन्होंने वहां पर झंडा गाड़ा, लेकिन हवा ना होने की वजह से क्या था, वो झंडा बेजान लहरा रहा था. There is no sign of water or any form of life. Sign. Sign mean trace. निशान. कि वहां पर ना तो पानी का नामो निशान था और ना ही किसी तरह की जिंदगी का. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू ऑल नो दैट कि अगर कहीं पर पानी नहीं होगा तो वहां पर जो है वो ना तो इंसान और ना ही जानवर जो है वो जिंदा रह सकते हैं. The sun glares out of a black cloudless sky far away. The earth shines blue and white. Glares. Glares mean stare in an angry way. Jagmagana. During the long moon day, the temperature rises to 188 degree but falls to nearly 113 degree at night. Dear students, रात के वक्त जो है वो टेम्परेचर जो है वो लो हो जाता है और दिन के वक्त जो है वो टेम्परेचर राइज अप हो जाता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? डू यू नो दैट? यस, ये इसलिए होता है कि दिन के वक्त जब सूरज निकलता है तो टेम्परेचर जो है वो सूरज की वजह से ज्यादा होता है और रात के वक्त जब चांद निकलता है तो चांद की रोशनी में जो है उसका जो है वो क्या हो जाता है, टेम्परेचर नीचे चला जाता है. The astronauts find movement difficult in their space suits, but the low gravity helps them to bounce and hop about like kangaroos. Gravity means a force which causes things to drop to the ground. कशिश है शकल, जमीन की अपनी तरफ खींचने की ताकत या ऐसा इंतजाम जिसके तहत चीजें अपने वजन की वजह से नीचे आ जाएं, दैट आर कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी। के दोनों खलाबाजों को क्या था, अपने स्पेस सूट्स में नकलो हरकत करने में मुश्किलात पेश आ रही थी, लेकिन वहां लो ग्रेविटी ने उनकी मदद की कैंगरू की तरह एक जगह से दूसरी जगह उछलने कूदने में, हम हरकत करने में, और वो कैंगरू की तरह जंप करते हुए वहां से वहां नकलो हरकत कर रहे थे। होप मीन्स जंप। They dig up rocks and soil from the surface to bring back to earth. Dig means to break up and move soil using a tool, a machine or your hands. कि जमीन को खोदना अपने हाथों से या मशीन से या किसी आले की मदद से। तो उन्होंने वहां पर रॉक्स को जो है वो चट्टानों को खोदा, किस लिए, वहां की जो मिट्टी थी उसको जमीन पर लाने के लिए। Soon it is time for them to return to their spacecraft to prepare for the long journey back to Earth. Prepare, it is a present tense. If we will add D with it, then it will be called past tense. कि जल्द ही वो वक्त आ गया जब उनको अपने खलाई जहाज को जमीन के तरफ लंबे सफर के लिए वापसी के लिए तैयार करना था। Behind them, in the dust, they leave their footprints, a reminder of how men first walked upon the moon. Leave, it is a present tense. Left. These are the past tense of leave. Reminder means a thing that causes someone to remember something. याद दहानी. Walked, it is a past tense. Its present tense is walk. Walked. Behind them in the dust, they leave their footprints, a reminder of how men first walked upon the moon. कि उन्होंने मिट्टी में अपने पीछे अपने पैरों के निशान छोड़े, याद दहानी के लिए कि किस तरह इंसान ने चांद पर अपना पहला कदम रखा। Neil Armstrong rightly said it is a past tense. Its present tense is say. Said. As he stepped on the moon's surface. Stepped. It is also a past tense. Its present tense is step. Stepped. A small step for man, but a giant leap for mankind. Giant means very big. Leap means jump, छलांग। नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने सही कहा था कि उसने चांद की सतह पर जैसे कदम रखा, तो इंसान के लिए ये एक छोटा कदम है, लेकिन इंसानियत के लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ी छलांग है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्यों ये बहुत बड़ी छलांग इंसानियत के लिए? क्योंकि चांद पर जाना जो है वो किसी आम इंसान के बस की बात नहीं है, तो चांद पर हर कोई नहीं जा सकता। So that's all for today. Tasks to do. Dear students, these are the tasks which you have to do by your own. These are the words meanings and word opposites. So you people have to learn these word meanings and word opposites by heart. So this is your task. Dear students, as you know, we have done our reading, so it's time to assess yourself. For this purpose, I have a task for you. You have to write the meanings of the following words. But keep in mind, dear students, you have to write all these words' meanings in your English notebook. So, first word is imagine. Second word is across. Third word is stepped. Fourth word is surface. And the last, fifth word is journey. So, dear students, you have to consult dictionaries for finding the meanings of these words. You have to write and you have to learn all these word meanings by heart. Dear students, today we have done reading of unit number 8, Moon Landing, page number 81, words meanings and word opposites. In our next lesson, we will discuss about unit number 8, Moon Landing, copy work. That will be title and content page, dictation words, and question answers 1 till 5. Tasks to do. Dear students, these are the tasks which you have to do by your own. Unit number 8, Moon Landing. You have to make title page of unit number 8. Make content page following these points like topic, vocabulary, question answers, worksheet. And you have to learn word meanings and word opposites given on your English language textbook page number 81. So these are the tasks. Dear students, here are some fun facts, and I hope these fun facts will really add up into your knowledge. The first man on moon, Neil Armstrong, even before getting his driver's license, got his pilot's license at age 16. Wow, it sounds really nice. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lesson very well. So, see you soon in my next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.